Yo, how's it going? Let me know in the comments below. I'm fixing a clogged drain in an Electrolux washing machine. I washed a sleeping bag, or a life jacket that just disintegrated on me and left all this junk. And the only access is from the back, so you take off. This panel is pretty easy to get off if you can get to the back of your washing machine, and end up. I'll show you what it looks like. This is the filter that goes into this drain hose. And so it will clip in there and go into this piece. And this retaining ring goes over here in this groove. See that groove? And it clamps it up here to this drain port. So, oh man, I've got so much left. So much of this junk. So, don't wash anything but clothes in here, especially if it has stuffing. My goodness, not worth it. So, it looks like the pump is all the way back there. Let's see if I can get my phone to show you. Okay, looks like we got a spring clip on that pump back there. But as soon as you undo this clip, all the water is just gonna rush immediately out. So if you're inside like me, I don't know what you'll do, because there's not space for a pan. So yeah, there you go. Hope this helps. Good luck.